Hey guys, welcome to Scale Model Alberta. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. A little bit of show and tell here. Finished this one up here a couple days ago. It's not quite finished. It's going in a diorama set in Korea. But this was a really nice kit. This is the 1/35th scale Takom M46 Patton. It was a special boxing. It came along with a quarter-ton Jeep, which I haven't built yet. I don't quite have need for it, so it's still in the box. But this was a really nice build. It was almost Tamiya-esque. For Takom, wow, it was amazing. Everything fit fantastic. The tracks, very easy to put together. All the little fiddly bits and parts, they were excellent. It was just a great kit. Really enjoyed building this one. So if you need something from the Korean War, want something a little bit funky, look at the Takom M46 Patton. Like, you can also use the T26 from Tamiya, and Dragon's got some old M46s, M47s. They're not very good. I just repainted one of those, and I don't really it didn't fill me up with pleasures and giggles. But this one was great. Like I said, the rubber block track was excellent. Although in Korea, probably should have had the steel tracks. But hey, you know, that's just what my some of my references are showing, that it should have a slightly different tracks. But hey, I'm sure there were some over there with the rubber block tracks. They send you a steel cable for the tow line. I thought that their hinges, the fittings were a little small, so I grabbed a set of Soviet ones out of my parts box. Road wheels went on great. You see there's a shit ton of road wheels and return wheels, and this was a they thought they needed it for a suspension, or for the tracks to stay tight. It was a track tightener. It got deleted here, I think, on the 47. But virtually no fill anywhere. I did add a little bit of texture and some grind marks on the turret because they were pretty rough. The jerry cans that come with it, they were okay. Takom decals are just horrendous. They're garbage. My God, they're worse than the old Tamiya stuff. They're thick. They don't respond to setting solutions. So basically, that's hand painted, and most of this is hand painted. I just basically use the decal sheet to as an outline, and hand painted it all in. The eyes and the whiskers were from the kit. They worked okay. They weren't great, but they worked okay. They got the job done. It's the main thing. And yeah, so like I said, if you're looking for a fun little build, this Takom M46 Patton is just awesome. It's highly, well, that's one too many high. Anyway, gotta go.